Hi, everyone. It's doing your 60-day check-in. Where you should be now, you should be outside your 30-day testing and moving into the 60 days where you're actually starting to see operational use of the AI as you're moving forward. Should be past that launch pad and moving into some real-world impact on what you're using the AI for. The areas you want to focus on, where you start to see some ROI, where you start to have those use cases that you've identified. At this point within your initial group, you should be using some agents, such as the digital twin that we discussed in the workshops that should be helping you with a lot of your overall daily tasks, and you're getting use out of those. Hopefully you've done some other task-oriented agent builds within your Copilot. Remember just to do a prompt to create those agents for you. Very simple to create and get through those, but very powerful for small and menial tasks, and you can really drive some efficiencies as you start to have some operational gains for users inside of those. As you move past this next 60 days that you've been on this journey side and get into the 90-day roadmap side, you should be thinking about how you would roll this out more across your whole organization, how you can start to realize these productivity gains across the whole company. Just a couple quick tips, whether you just give people the Copilot license and they start transcribing meetings and using those transcriptions to funnel into your AI for proposal writing, for meeting notes, for actions and follow-ups, is that alone is a very powerful ROI from those. Give your users and your staff training around leveraging agents, how to make these small tasks just get done quicker. The cumulative add of all of those things will really start to add up to the overall ROI that you see from using AI. And of course, if you ever need anything, we're here to help. Please reach out. Thank you.